This is the God Monster, and today I have a new table in my backyard. Josie. That sword's her favorite little toy. It's not really that little. And look at it. There's a small chair over there. Kept my white chair low. Small table right there. It got stuck. Oh yeah, want to know something bad about the grapevine? Comes over on this side. Look, there's a spider web. And if you can see it, that's amazing. Because you see, oh gosh, I'm already doing it. Well, if I get a rock, look. It fell through. And then, look, it left a hole. Or I can show you a better example for you, believe me, because that rock's strong and it just through. Look, you see this leaf? Look. See? There's a cobweb there. She loved this toy so much she won't let anyone touch it. There she goes running off. Move. Look at the sword. I got the sword. Run. Gosh, run. Well, goodness. Go get it. Don't bite me. Oh no. Don't get me. Run. I gotta get up here. Just climbed up that slide. My steering wheel for this is broken. Well, guess I could show you me and Josie playing a little sword game. And then I guess that could be it for the video. And in the comments below, tell me if you want me to play Roblox or not, because I have it. And I really haven't been playing it. I've just been doing that in my free time. But let's go. Oh God, run. Gross. I think I'm stepping in poop. Take the sword. Don't hurt me. Give me the sword. Can't go too hard because it would rip out her teeth. She's good. I won't let her. Ow! A Nopsis dog in the background. Likes that sword too much. Yeah. I don't know what's up with that cobweb there and that stupid spider. In the comments below, tell me what I should do with it. Either tell me if I should throw a rock at it and make holes in it, or if I should completely take it down, or if I should just leave it alone. Okay? And leave a like.